and good afternoon. I am Prita from the Consumer and Investor Office at the Securities Commissions Malaysia. Welcome to the Digital Literacy for Seniors program. Today's webinar is on investing on the stock market digitally. On behalf of the SE, I wish to record our appreciation to higher seniors for their assistance in promoting the program. We are pleased to have with us today Cik Sazliana from Rakuten to present on the topic investing on the stock market digitally. Please allow me to share a brief background on our speaker. Sazliana was part of the founding team at Rakuten Trade, joining the company before it officially launched its services back in 2017. She began as a customer service team member and rapidly climbed the ranks to become a QA manager. As the first line of communication externally for Rakuten Trade, she is responsible to cultivate a customer-centric mentality among the CS team. At Rakuten Trade, Sazliana also supports the system enhancement by conducting user acceptance testing from a client's perspective. Sazliana has more than 14 years experience in equity broking, specializing in managing clients' trading portfolios and expanding clientele base with a focus on both local and foreign share trading. Sazliana also holds a capital market service representative license for dealing in securities and derivatives. Now, please stay tuned till the end of the session as we'll be having a short Q&A session. This will be followed by a pop quiz session for all participants. Also, a reminder to all participants to take our survey. The link will be shared in the chat window. Next, please. Please do follow us on our social media platform for useful information on investing and latest updates on our initiatives. Now I'll pass it over to Sazliana to share her presentation titled Investing on the Stock Market Digitally. Sazliana, over to you.
Thank you, Prita. Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to today's webinar session on investing in the stock market digitally. I would like to introduce myself as a speaker today. My name is Sazliana Ramli. I am QA manager for Rakuten Trade. Safwan? Okay. Just a quick introduction of who we are. Rakuten Trade is Malaysia's first and only fully online equity broker. We are the result of a joint venture between two very experienced equity broking brands, Rakuten Trade, Rakuten Securities based in Japan, and Kenanga Investment Bank, one of the Malaysia's leading investment banks. If you have any question, you can drop the question in the chat box, which I will go through during the Q&A session at the end of this webinar. And we are going to have a pop quiz session with you for the online shopping voucher. So without further ado, let's get started. So our agenda today, I will be covering why we're choosing digital broker, how you can get started, top 5 things you should know before you start trading, and what to do after you have executed your trade. Okay, just to set the page, investing is the allocation of a certain amount of money that you would put aside that you are hoping will grow through the buying and selling shares belonging to a company listed in Bursa Malaysia. Stock market is not, right now, it's not for rich and powerful only, because the internet has changed the way on how we trade in the stock market. Every day, people can buy stock in many ways, and more people educate themselves about this complexity system to buy shares. They too can trade the stocks. Nowadays, it is so much easier to start investing, no matter how much money you have to start with. But if you want to start trading in the stock market, then you should watch this webinar, because today I'm going to give the reasons you should invest in stock market right now. And trust me, if you say this is for beginner, everybody can follow along, especially for beginner. Now, for many ways, investing can be intimidating. Yes, I say many because trust me, when I say you are probably not the one who are really being cautious about participating in this space, especially to those who are no prior in trading experience or who are never used the completely digital platform. So the first reason to start investing right now is because the internet and smartphone, these two things can change, it's already changed the industry and much easier to start investing nowadays. I mean, seriously, it's much easier now to start investing from your phone or from your computer. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to do the old school way, which is you need to get the broker, which is much more expensive, and it takes too much time because you need to make appointment or you need to start to call them. But by using digital platform, you can start investing your preferred broker and buy the company, but just doing online. So don't be afraid to start investing in stock market because you think you will lose money or you think stock market is a scam. I mean, there are years that you are going to lose money and years that you will make money. But overall, as long as you're investing in the long term, historically improve that you are going to make money over time. So the next why you should invest in stock market is share trading give you chance to diversify your savings, which means you don't have to put all eggs in one basket. You can leverage your money from time to time. And the next thing is it enables you to become liquid when you need money urgently. Unlike if you're investing in property, you need some time to sell the property and all that. But for stock market, you can just withdraw the money if you need it urgently, and you can get the money tomorrow to your bank account already. The next reason is it gives you the opportunity to own parts of the company without the responsibility to take care of the company, and so on. So the last reason is it makes your money to work harder for you. Saving up for future because the money can generate your income from time to time. For example, if you pay any of your attention to stock market lately, you notice a few down days for the couple of months. And if you own a company that pay out dividends, you might wondering what happened to your dividend during the market crash. So the good news about the company that pays dividend, it doesn't matter market crash or market correction. Most of the time, the company aren't impacted because if the share price goes down, it doesn't necessarily the company is unhealthy. So a lot of time your dividend is safe, even though there is decline in the share price. So let's say the share price is dropping and you notice the company is a good value, then you should buy at low price because the dividend yield will be higher and you can get better dividend payout because your buy price is low. The idea is to build the portfolio shares in company with stable growth and historical trend to announce dividend and then hold the share for a long time. Financially institution or REITs company is a good example. Additionally, since you are investing in long term, you can be less influenced by short-term market fluctuation. Just remember that dividend aren't everything because initial investment really does need the price to go up if you want to do well in stock market. But if there is correction or market crash, just so you know that you are investing in a good, healthy company, that dividend is pretty safe and less risk associated in your investment. This one, you should do your own research in the company before you start investing. Next. Okay, why many investor trading in Rakuten Trade? Okay, there are a few reasons why investor choosing Rakuten Trade. Rakuten Trade offer fully digital seamless platform to investor for both Malaysia and US market. That is our newly launched product, US market, during this January 2022. So why digital broker? We'll back to the reason just now of the internet and smartphone. So let's go through one by one of the reason why you should choose Rakuten Trade. So if you compare with traditional broker, the time frame of account opening is a huge difference. You can open your trading account as easy as opening a social media account. So with no hard copy paperwork, no physical visit to the branch, you can minimize the risk of getting COVID, and it's mobile friendly for account opening page. So Rakuten Trade fast online account opening. Customer can open trading account completely online, approval within 1 hour during a market day. So no hard copy paperwork, no physical visit, mobile friendly. That's what you need for most online broker. Okay, just now I mentioned about our newly launched US market. So besides trading in Malaysia, Bursa Malaysia, you also can start trading in US market. Our next generation with cash upfront account. Okay, right now you already cash upfront account, and this cash upfront account you can link to your US market, to your foreign equity market, which is right now we only have US market, but in future we are going to launch our Hong Kong market. Stay tuned with us. Trading is completely online with the same platform, same app, and same brokerage rate as Bursa Malaysia. So in addition, it offers a real-time price feed, which is some of the brokers still offer the 15 minutes delay price feed, and competitive exchange rate that are better than most of the bank, access in US report, powered by RT Research and Money Tools, earning RT points via same rewards program. So we treat our foreign equity market same as Bursa Malaysia to give you no difference with both market. So additional features are available exclusive for Rakuten Trade clients. So we are using Japanese inspired mobile trading platform, unique platform compared to existing brokers' mobile trading site. Indices and stock prices are available for free and not exclusive only for Rakuten Trade customer. Additional feature, of course, will be available for Rakuten Trade client exclusively. So other than that, we are award-winning research report, real-time price, news, volume, and match trade alerts, personalized multiple screen layout and watch list, day order and GTD order, live on-demand webinar. Our research team always do the webinar session with clients, and convenient share transfer that you can just do online from your platform. Okay, competitive brokerage rate. So you can compare our brokerage rate with other broker. Of course, you can find the percentage with other broker. Other broker slightly lower than us, but there is no broker capping 100 ringgit maximum value of brokerage. So our minimum is 7 ringgit, maximum 100 ringgit. So I guess this is a good deal for if you want to invest or trade in a bigger amount. Education and trading ideas. Our platform, you can do your self education and trading by doing your analyze and refer our research report. So market information available to all in the platform, free real-time market feeds for client, daily research report derived from Rakuten Trade research team, simplify report, minimal jargon. So we use the simple wording, the simple version that everyone can understand. Access to money tools reports for the US markets, investment idea share via Insta Story. That one, we will share investment ideas Insta Story, consensus cost on the US stock, which is we have the same brokerage as Malaysia, and stock call via Telegram channel. This one we will do daily basis. And also, if you're a member, you can get all the information in the website, and we will always do the push notification for you as well. Okay, we continue on education trading ideas. So we have our equity sales team, which are licensed and experienced analysts who provide insight, ideas, and intelligence. Social educators, 10 educators within the personal finance industry who use their social media presence to educate followers around digital trading. So basically, we are using the social media and all the platform digitally so that there is less interaction, physical interaction. We can just do it online, anytime, anywhere. Visual webinar. So our last time we do the Raku Talk series, investment talk series, Raku Insight, free site chat series, SC by SC with Securities Commission as innovation sponsor. Okay, so I already briefed on why you should go investing in stock market. So how we can get started? Here's come the hardest part that you will have to do, getting started. So I've broken into 5 easy steps to get started. First step, determine what type of broker that you want. Choose the right account that suits your trading style. Next is to fill up the necessary form, which is if you are using digital broker, you don't have to write any form. You just fill up online. Step 4, deposit fund into your account. And the last step is start trading. So let me explain the difference. Just now we have a completely online broker and also a traditional broker. If you would like to still have a traditional broker. Okay, let's go for the difference between these two brokers. Digital broker. So when you are choosing a digital broker, online trading is much more secure as individual trader has completely control over the transaction made. So if you have your own money, you can control it anytime you want. Straightforward through processing for digital broker, no face-to-face interaction, transfer the cost saving from broker to customer. Specialize in ensuring customer experience is the main objective. In Rakuten, our customer service will be available all the time during the trading day, during the trading time. If you are trading in US market, you can just email us, or in future, we are going to have a live chat. So if you face any problem, any difficulty, you can get us anytime you want. So specialized, designed specifically for a specific group of people, from the interface to the choice of word in the platform to make it easier to understand, instead of using the jargon wording, we are using a simple wording that everyone can understand. Quick assistant leveraging chatbots, Facebook chat, emails, and customer service online hotline. On the other hand, traditional broker may carry out transaction on behalf of the client without knowledge of the client. So besides that, you need to make appointments with your dealers or remisers if you have some difficulty that you need to show them for your trading. The charges are different, definitely more than the online trading, because they have their minimal offline order trading. Next. Okay, so already choose which broker you want. The next step is choose the right account that suits your style. There are different types of account with different trading style. In Rakuten Trade context, okay, we have 3 trading accounts, which is I'm going to explain one by one. Cash upfront account. So why you should open a cash upfront account? Trade both Malaysia and US shares under the same account. So US share, you only need to have cash upfront account. Trade based on the available cash that you have now. So it does not give you a trading limit more than what you have. Trade and pay brokerage rate as low as 7 ringgit to maximum 100 ringgit. You will always know your actual cash or your portfolio position because it's straight to the point. Available cash balance will earn interest 1.25% per annum, definitely more than the savings account in the bank. So if you still cannot decide that what share that you want to purchase, you still can keep your money there, which is can earn interest 1.25% per annum. So the next account that we have is dual account. Dual account, why open a contra account? So dual trade up to 5 times more than money that you have in your account. Trade and pay brokerage rate that are same as cash upfront account. Access to the day trade rebate program. For example, if you are today you are doing trading, contra trading. Let's say you buy shares A and then you sell shares A, you can get rebate one of the transaction from the brokerage. Available cash balance will earn same as cash upfront account 1.25 per annum. Settlement of transaction, either you earn from the contra selling or you cover the payment using your cash deposit. And it's required T+2 transaction. Currently, we only have T+2 settlement in the contra account. Don't miss another opportunity. Trade using extended trading limit and settle it later. Meaning that if today you only have 1,000 ringgit, but you decided to buy the shares that value 5,000 ringgit, you can do so by using this contra account, and you can figure out the settlement within T+2 settlement within 2 days. So, and the one that I would recommend is combo account. Combo account is the combination of Raku margin and cash upfront account. So you can switch from one account to another with a single click via the same platform. Why open a Raku margin account? Trade using available cash and pre-approved facility of 100,000 trading limit based on your collateral and share value. Brokerage rate remain as low as 7 ringgit to maximum 100 ringgit. 6.8% per annum interest on outstanding balance for Raku margin account. So if you sign up one of the account and get activated within 1 hour fast online cash transfer, instant reward, free access to investment idea, RT points, and a brokerage rebate when you successfully trade in the first 30 days. Brokerage rate are the same across all accounts and as low as 7 ringgit. So I have offer all the information. Next. Okay. So I already go to until step 2. Let's go to the step 3. Fill up the necessary form. There is no need a hard copy form. You just fill up everything online, including all your documents and your IC or your any mailing address evidence. You can just do it online. So step 4, after your account is successfully activated, you can start deposit fund into your account using 2 methods, which is 1, online deposit. Customer will be directed to the deposit fund of their choice and need to complete their action at the deposit bank, payment, or money transfer page. Just like you shopping in the online shopping platform, you just go to the FPX page to make payment. The other option is offline deposit or over-the-counter deposit using IBG. This one you can use interbank gyro, rentas, TT, telegraphic transfer, or you can using your check. But any physical cash, Rakuten will not accept because we are bound for the rules of Anti-Money Laundering Act. So step 5, the last step is start trading. Okay, so different option with different style. So let's go one by one on what you can get the idea on start trading. Okay, basically, Bursa Malaysia have 2 markets. Actually, we have 3 markets. Bursa Malaysia have 3 markets. Main market, Ace market, and Leap market. But today I'm not covering on Leap market because Rakuten does not have Leap market facility yet. But we will take this into consideration. So 2 market, main market. What is main market? So main market is prime market established company that have met the standard in terms of quality, size, operation. Potential issuer of the main market must demonstrate that they have achieved the minimum profit track record of minimum size measure by market capitalization. Ace market is a sponsor-driven market designed for companies with growth prospect. It was formerly known as Nasdaq market back in August 2009. Sponsor must assess the suitability of the potential issuer, considering attributes such as business prospect, conduct, corporate conduct, and adequacy of internal controls. So that's a 2 markets. Next, 2 types of broker, which is we covered just now, offline traditional broker or fully digital broker. Let's start. You can call your broker and visit the broker office for traditional broker. They have the gallery that you can view the share price over there. Your broker will do verification for your profile and place trade on your behalf. Offline trading is likely take time. Fully digital broker, online trading is much more secure as the individual trader has completely control over the transaction made. What is meant by secure is you need 2 verification, which is once you log in to your platform, you need 1 password. But if you want to place your order, you just need another trading pin. So these 2 verification will make your platform more secure. So next is rewards of investing, which is if you buy shares, you have 2 options. whether you want the share price to go up, or you want the dividend earning, which is I cover in the earliest slide. Dividend, you can choose any dividend earning counter. The share price go up, increasing in the share price. So next is buy specific units of shares. In Malaysia, we have 2 lots, which is one is odd lot, one is bought lots. So bought lot consists 100 units, but odd lot from 1 to 99 units. So if you want slowly to accumulate your shares, you can try the odd lot, but I do not recommend to buy odd lot because odd lot is not liquid. It's not easy to get the buyer and seller in the odd lot. But if you go for bought lots, it more easier for you to liquid your shares. So the next is different type of equity. So we have 4 types of equities: shares, warrant, REITs, and derivative. Company shares. What is this company shares meaning? So shares are units of equity ownership in a corporation. For some, company shares exist as a financial asset providing equal distribution of any residual profit, if any are declared, and in form of dividend. So this is the company shares. Warrants, company warrant instrument issue listed company. Okay, basically, company issue warrant just to get more fund from the shareholder. So REITs, real investment trusts, REITs are publicly traded, operate. So REITs is by extension represent the value of underlying property. REITs provide the way of investing to earn return in commercial real estate without actually having to buy, manage, or finance the property itself. For example, KLCC property, you saw the KLCC building there. So when you invest in KLCC property, it's like you are parts of the KLCC property investor, which is owner of the company. So derivative, structure warrant. Derivative trading is when traders speculate on the future price action of the asset, buying and selling derivative contract, aim achieving enhanced gain compare with buying and selling underlying set outright. So for example, if you predict the this one more to futures trading, but in stock market we also have this FKLI and all that. So different type of orders: match orders and limit order. Match orders which are called market orders, an order to buy and sell stock in the current market price. The advantage of market order is almost always granted the order will be executed immediately as long as there is a willing buyer or willing seller. Limit order, you need to wait. A type of order, buy or sell security at specific price that you wish to wait for another buyer or seller to match your price. So next. Okay, besides that, now you have placed the order. What's next? Rakuten Trade reward ecosystem combine 3 local leading loyalty providers: AirAsia Big, Bonus Link, and Boost. How it works: client will receive RT point whenever they engage with us. RT point earned can be converted into point with the 3 affiliate just now, or you can choose to offset your brokerage. So at Rakuten Trade, we give our reward back to customer in the form of points. So these points, you can convert it into AirAsia Boost or Bonus Link point. The conversion is very simple, fast, and totally online. Rakuten Trade reward ecosystem is the first kind of in Malaysia. So continue from there, how you can use your Rakuten Trade points to offset your brokerage, which is if you are keep on accumulating RT points, you can use that to pay the brokerage that we are charging you. So for example, you deposit cash and then you earn 150 points. You transfer in shares, you can earn 150 RT points. And these all RT points you can accumulate and offset RT point, 1 RT point to 1 cent per brokerage. So let's say if you want to pay for 7 ringgit brokerage, you need 700 points to offset your brokerage. So if you refer friend also, refer your family and friend to open account, you can go through the referral code and earn 1,000 points, which is you can use for 1 or 2 times brokerage rebate. Okay. This is our last time our collaboration and our free US share campaign. Okay, during our launching back in January 2022, we did some promotion. When you open account, foreign account with us, we will give free US share and all that. So I hope there is a happy customer that received the free US share. So these are all the predict marketing campaign last time we did. And also we have the campaign sign up and activate foreign account. The ongoing campaign is sign up and activate foreign trading account and get 6,000 AirAsia point, which is you can use for your AirAsia tickets. Sign up with us and get 25,000 boost star and Shell fuel bonus link sign up campaign. You can get up to 60 ringgit Shell fuel vouchers when you sign up with us. So this 3 is our ongoing campaign if you are opening account with us. So the last slide should be next. Okay, so this is the account opening link. You can use the QR code or you can get the link to open account. But in your account opening info source, you can state that webinar and info source InvestSmart 2022. There will be points you can get from that. And I hope this webinar today had convinced you, if not more, a little, for start investing in share trading now. I know market is haywire right now, but it's a good opportunity for you to entering as a beginner. Start small now. So once you can open account with us and start toggle the platform. And I hope to see you guys soon. So we are opening for Q&A session.
Okay. Thank you very much, Sazliana, for your presentation. It was very informative. So we will actually move on to the Q&A session. So we have a couple of questions here on Zoom and also Slido. So the first question is, what is the minimum amount to open an account?
Okay, so there is no minimum account. 10 ringgit also you can open account, but opening account in Rakuten Trade definitely free of charge. The CDS account opening, we are covering for you guys just to get your CDS account open. But if you are asking me how much money you should deposit to start investing, it's really up to you, because there's a lot of company from minimum 1 cent or half cent you can buy to 50 ringgit per share a company. So you can start searching for the good company.
Okay. Okay, so there's actually a second part to like I mean, in terms of the minimum amount kind of question. So there is actually one asking the minimum amount we need to maintain for our account.
Okay. So for all the 3 account, minimum amount that you should maintain is 10 ringgit. Same like some of the bank account, you need to maintain 10 ringgit to make it active from time to time.
Okay. All right. So okay, the next one is, does Rakuten provide any basic training in shares?
Okay, we provide a webinar session from time to time. Usually we will call some of the company to give view on their company prospect, and quarterly basis we have a webinar on market outlook and on our marketing campaign. Mostly we cover everything in the webinar. So if you become the Rakuten Trade clients, even though you are not trading, you can get all this invitation to the webinar to make you to start give you ideas on start trading.
Okay, all right. Okay, so if our account is inactive, is there any inactive charges?
Okay, the account inactivation is between 36 months if you are not depositing or trading within this 36 months. This is based on the Bursa activation, CDS activation. So if you want to activate that, you need to you need to deposit 5 ringgit to activate your account. But if you just moving your money in and out, that's not considered dormant or inactivation account. So just deposit, just move your money here and there, you can consider.
Okay, so the next one we have is, will the shares be held under my own name, or will it be placed under like a nominee account?
Okay, in Rakuten, we only have nominees account, which is the account is under Rakuten, under Kenanga nominees account. So if you want to, let's say, to convert your warrants or to attend AGM, you need to go through our nominees and submit your request, and we can process for you to go to the AGM or conversion of the warrant, but you're still the owner of the company.
Okay. All right. Okay, the next one we have is, I'm already a trading already trading with another broker. How can I transfer my existing shares to Rakuten?
Okay, first you need to open Rakuten account first, and then you can ask your current broker. For example, you have account with Maybank, you need to fill up the blue share transfer form, and then you give your CDS number from Rakuten to the, let's say, Maybank. You need to provide the CDS number to them.
Okay, all right. Okay, the next one we have is, the brokerage fees, is it actually net, or is there any more extra charges?
Okay, there is a few charges in trading. Let's say Bursa Malaysia, you have few charges. Okay, first you have brokerage fee. Next is clearing fee, which is charges charged by Bursa. Stamp duty charged by government, and so far that's all the charges. But the brokerage fee that we charge is depending on how much your share value. For example, the share that you trade is 900 ringgit, we only charge you 7 ringgit, but for clearing fee and stamp duty will be another charges by them. We only charge the brokerage.
All right. Okay, so maybe we'll just take one last question due to the time constraint. Okay, so The last question would be, if later after some time we decide not to continue trading anymore, how do we get our money back, or do we get it, balance money immediately?
Okay. If you are decided to close account, as easy as online, you need to email us that your intention to close account. You need to zeroize your money, meaning that you withdraw all your balance to your bank account, and you need to transfer your shares, if you have, to another broker, another CDS number, so that we can close your both trading and CDS account.
Okay, so normally how long would the whole process take? Like,
the whole process taken between 1 to 3 days.
Okay, just 1 to 3 days. Okay, that's pretty fast. Okay, so that is pretty much it for the Q&A session. So thank you very much, Sazliana.
Thank you for having me.
So thank you everyone for joining us today, and thank you, Sazliana, once again for speaking in our webinar today. Don't forget, if you wish to watch our webinar again, we will upload the webinar on our YouTube channel in due course. Do check out our previous webinar sessions on our YouTube channel as well. Stay tuned to our social media platforms as we'll update on our next webinar sessions. Do not forget to follow any of our social media platforms for up-to-date information on our events and basic information on how to be a smart investor. Before we end this session, just a quick reminder to all. Beware of investment schemes offered via social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Also remember, when making investment, do not ever deposit money into individual bank account or bank accounts of unrelated entities. So hope to see everyone again in our next webinar. Thank you.